What is road hazard repair?
You run over something and have a flat.
So I hit a pothole, I blow my tire, and I break my wheel to the point where it will not hold air. What will we do for the customer?
Replace or repair it.
If the tire can be repaired, we'll repair it. If it can't be repaired, we'll replace it. The wheel, we will replace the wheel as well. This is the #1 most used warranty in this group. Okay, you run over something as small as a nail, we'll repair the tire. If the nail goes through the sidewall, we'll replace the tire. As long as the customer hits something in the roadway that's not supposed to be there. Now, Dustin, what if I get drunk and I run into a curb and I blow a tire and bend a wheel?
Don't count.
Not covered. Curb's supposed to be there. We'll pay the customer if he scrapes or if he or she scrapes the wheel, but not if they bang into the curb. Okay? Alyssa, what's roadside assistance?
If you have like an emergency, your car breaks down, engine stops, transmission drops.
The engine stops and the transmission drops.
I've had that.
Run out of gas, we'll bring them gas. Need a flat tire changed, we'll change a flat tire for them. Need a tow, we'll tow them. Need a jump, we'll jump them. Need a locksmith, we'll provide them a locksmith. Okay? All those benefits, all those warranties right there are good for 6 months or unlimited miles.